Hi everyone, here we've got Realme C15 and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact. So first of all, let's open the dialer, then let's swipe to the contacts and choose the contact you want to edit. Now let's choose the two dots icon to open the settings and select edit. Now choose the camera icon, let's tap on it, and as you can see you can either take a photo or select a photo, so let me pick select a photo. Let's choose something you want to use, crop photo, and from this level you can adjust the size of the square and adjust the size of the photo you will see near to the contact. So I think that's quite okay. Remember to click on done. And as you can see, we've just added the photo. Click on save if you are ready. And that's all. As you can see, this is how you add a photo to a contact in your Realme C15. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.